Anong English ng paminsan-minsan?
Sometimes.
Sometimes
When with us.
Ang galing mo talaga. Mali. Anong English ng paminsan-minsan?
Paminsan-minsan.
Paminsan-minsan. Oh.
Sometimes he's boy. Sometimes he's not. Paminsan-minsan.
Paminsan-minsan. Ang galing mo.
Talaga?
Mali.
Seldom.
Seldom.
No.
Uy, that's nice. Seldom. No?
Not to everyday.
Ano ang English ng paminsan-minsan?
Pamin.
Pamin.
Pepper.
Pamin.
Okay. Sun, araw.
Okay.
Pepper sun.
Well, galing mo talaga. Congratulations. We're gonna test your English today
Oh my God. Okay.
for a chance to win this phone. Ano ang English ng paminsan-minsan?
Sometimes.
Ang bilis ah.
Minsan-minsan, sometimes, di ba?
Sometimes.
Pero tama ba?
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Your answer is mali.
Mali! Oh, really? Tama sagot.
Anong English ng paminsan-minsan?
Sometimes.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Yun na yun.
Sometimes. Paminsan-minsan.
Paminsan-minsan is mali. Ano ang English ng paminsan-minsan?
Sometimes.
Sometimes?
From time to time.
From time to time?
Yeah, paminsan-minsan. From time to time.
From time to time?
Yes. From time to time.
Mali ka eh.
Oh, hey, it's wrong. Really, I'm not good.
Ano ang English ng paminsan-minsan?
More often than not.
More often than not. Ang galing. Ano ang English ng paminsan-minsan?
Ano, paminsan-minsan?
Yeah. Walang magtuturo.
Paminsan-minsan. The other. Ano ba?
Okay.
Paano ba?
Ah.
Wala nakakabobo.
You can ask a friend. Call a friend. Call the husband.
Paano kita translate yun?
Ay,
Paano kita translate? What is the English of the, okay, example, you gonna do it but little, not all the time.
sometimes.
nga daw eh.
Sometimes.
Sabi niya, tama?
Sometimes, hindi.
Anong premyo to? Cellphone? Ano ba yun? Sino? What is the
Okay,
name sa-
final answer. 3, 2,
Occasionally.
1. Good job. Oh! Congratulations.
Cellphone ko ngayon eh.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Gosh,
Merry Christmas. Joke lang pala, walang laman. No, that's for you.